Hi, I'm Lauren from serviceQ, and I'm here today to talk to you about your circuit breaker in your home. A circuit breaker is usually located in a specific box known as the breaker box or electrical service panel. This box is typically placed in a utility area such as a basement, laundry room, garage, or a storage room, in apartments, and may be hidden behind a small door along the hallway or tucked away in a closet. A circuit breaker supplies power for your entire home. Your main switch is located right here. The smaller switches provide power to locations labeled on the panel or legend. A circuit breaker switches off because too much power is being used at once. This happens when more power is being used than the system can handle. Due to this, the wires can get hot because the extra power is being used. Carefully push the trip lever on the main breaker to the off position and turn the toggle lever on to reset. For inquiries, please reach out to serviceQ at 780-490-2546 or follow us on Instagram at serviceQEDM.